Hello gays, I'm Nalima and welcome to our channel NK Tutorial. Have you ever considered the journey of the humble pencil? How does a simple piece of graphite encased in wood travel from the depths of a mine to a student's desk? This journey, my friends, is a testament to the power and importance of commerce in our everyday lives. Imagine a pencil. It begins its life in a graphite mine, where miners work tirelessly to extract the raw material. This graphite is then purchased by a pencil manufacturing company, marking the first step in our journey of commerce. This company, armed with machinery and manpower, transforms the graphite into the familiar, slender shape we all recognize. But the journey doesn't stop there. The newly minted pencils are then packaged and ready to be sold. Enter the wholesaler, the vital link between the manufacturer and the retailer. The wholesaler purchases these pencils in large quantities and then sells them to various retailers around the country or even the world. The retailer, perhaps a local stationery store or a multinational corporation, then puts these pencils on their shelves, ready to be bought by students, artists, and professionals alike. Finally, a student walks into the store, picks up a pencil, and makes a purchase. This simple act, this exchange of money for goods, is the final step in our journey of commerce. This story of a pencil is not unique. It is the story of every product we use in our daily lives, from the clothes we wear to the food we eat. Each transaction, each exchange is a testament to the intricate and complex system of commerce that underpins our society. Commerce plays a pivotal role in the global economy. It facilitates the exchange of goods and services, allowing businesses to grow and economies to thrive. It connects manufacturers and consumers, bridging the gap between production and consumption. Moreover, commerce fosters international relations, as it involves trade between different countries. It enables the flow of goods and services across borders, thus promoting globalization and interdependence among nations. In the grand scheme of things, commerce is more than just buying and selling. It is the lifeblood of our global economy, driving growth, fostering relationships, and promoting prosperity. So the next time you pick up a pencil, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has undertaken. It is a journey that illustrates the power and importance of commerce, a journey that is a testament to our interconnected and interdependent world.